Good shoppers, welcome once again to my channel. This is Chobert Pergaza and welcome to my Golden Life here in Taiwan. For today's video, sasagot na naman po tayo ng tanong na I think gusto kong bigyan ng linaw para maintindihan ng lahat. Sabi po ni Miss Libra, marami siyang comment last night. However, I don't have time to answer her questions, so bibigyan natin siya ng panahon ngayon. Sabi niya, provided po ba ang mga materials niyo po ng school or kinukuha niyo po sa sariling packet niyo pambili? Yan. Kasi common ito sa Philippines. Talking about the public school in the Philippines, like specifically Department of Education, teachers needs to get some amount sa kanyang packet just to buy anything what she wants to do for her classroom. Diba? Yan ang common talaga sa atin. If you want to beautify your classroom, if you want to do some instructional materials, you need to get the amount of money from your pocket talaga kasi walang support from the government. But dito sa Taiwan, napakalaking difference. Why? Because lahat ng gagamitin mo talaga sa iyong klase ay provided talaga ng school. Yung mga projector na yan, yung mga TV na yan, even yung mga materials na gagamitin mo. For example, meron kang mga art na mga activities wherein they need to cut something, they need to paste something, whatever it is, na mga picture na kailangan i-print, lahat po yan ay provided po ng school. Meron po silang paraan for you to reproduce those materials. Okay? So, ganun siya. If ever naman po, meron kayong gustong bilhin, okay? Sa example, pumunta ka ngayon sa isang school supply na store and you want something to buy na gagamitin mo talaga next week sa klase mo. However, of course, wala dyan yung coordinator mo, wala dyan yung co-teacher mo. So, bilhin mo siya, tapos ipa-reflect mo doon sa iyong receipt, yung tax ID number ng school. Kasi meron kasing tax ID number ang school dito sa Taiwan. I don't know with the other schools, but dito sa aming school kasi meron talagang tax ID number. At in-inform talaga ako niya nung pag-start ko parang dito sa Taiwan, na kung saan I need to inform the sales lady na itatak niya doon sa receipt yung tax ID number. Bakit po? Para ma-reimburse ka po at the end of the month. Kasi nga, kumuha ka ng pera sa iyong pocket, right, to buy something na gagamitin mo for your classes. So if that is the case, ipatatak mo lang yung tax ID number ng school, so automatically, pag sahod mo sa month na yan, for example, magkakaroon ka ng reimbursement doon sa money na nakuha mo from your pocket just to buy the materials na gagamitin mo for your classes. So in short, in general, and conclusion, wala ka po talagang gagamiting pera na personal mo just to do anything for your classes or even your rooms. Whatever decorations you want to do for your classroom, for example, lahat po yan ay provided ng school. And I'm talking here in Taiwan, public school. Kasi public school ako dito sa Taiwan. So if you are going to compare DepEd, malaki po talaga ang difference. I hope malinaw po yun.